Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to see some tips and tricks to learn CVC words. Are you all ready for it? Then let's get started! Tip number 1. You can just have the stretching arm and you can just denote the individual sounds on each note of the hand and you can blend it. For example, k, a, p, cap. Or else you can do on this way also. K, a, cap, cap. Tip number 2. You can have a poppet of this kind and you can just note down the letters on the poppet from A to Z, and each time you spell the sound, you need to pop the letter like B, A, T. For example, if it is a B, you can pop B, A, T. Bat. So whenever you see it, you just pop it and you read it and blend it too. Alright, so this is my favorite one, what I mostly use in my class, and even children love it. Tip number 3. Here I have some detachable letters. I just throw them in front of the child and you can just have a flashcard for the picture. Or for example, if I take a dab, they see the dab picture and they will make the word by just fixing these letters. For example, D, A, D, A, da, and what comes at last? B. So fix B. Okay, so this makes dab. So make sure your child will track his finger and read the word. D, A, da, B. Dab. Isn't that pretty easy? It's really useful trick. Just try it. Tip number 4. Here for the tip number 4, I use this magnetic board and some letters. So here, whenever the child sees the picture or listens a word, he tries to frame a word. For example, if it is a nap, so the child can drag the letter N, A, P, nap. Isn't that so easy? Tip number 5. You can just have a look on this image. So each letter is having a piece of small dough or a clay dough. So here, whenever you just read or make the sound of the letter, you can just tap on the dough as it is like K, A, T, cat. Isn't that so easy? Tip number 6. For this, I could suggest you to just have a sticky notes or else a flashcards by cutting a small piece of paper and just tell them to make their very own word by using the sounds. They can even use the crayons or they can even use the paints to just feel more interesting. Check down the description box. I'll be posting the links of all the resources what I have used. They're very handy. You can just buy them in the Amazon. I hope all tips and tricks are really gonna help you a lot. So in your child's CVC blending, so just try it and you just go according to your child's interest and don't insist them to do it forcibly. Just make their learning happily and cooperative.